So now we are having another problem with uniformly distributed load. So uniformly distributed load means here you have a beam A and B. A is fixed support, B is roller support, RA and RB. We have a uniformly distributed load up to 2 meters from A. From A to C we are having 2 meters, the load is acted uniformly. So this is all uniform load, that is 3 kilonewton per meter. Again from distance from this C to B is also 2 meter. So what can we do? We have an equation, vertical equilibrium. So RA plus RB is equal to, so we want to know RA plus RB. So at this point load we have taken only force into distance, but here force, how can you take this force? Generally the load acting here is 3 kilonewton per meter. Here the momentum becomes 3 kilonewton per meters. How much length it is acting? It is acting as 2 meters. So the all 3 kilonewton per meter load is acting on 2 meters on the beam. From A to C, the total 2 meters is imposed by a load of 3 kilonewton. So here the force is taken as the total force coming onto the beam is taken as RA plus RB is equal to 3 kilonewton per meter multiplied by 2 meter, the length. 3 kilonewton per meter is the force, uniform force, multiplied by 2 meters. So total length is 6 kilonewtons. So here the total load acting on the beam is 6 kilonewton. So how to take moments here, I will explain on the board. So if you see now, we have a beam A, B, which is fixed support here, which is roller support there. The load acting on this beam is 3 kilonewton and 2 meter and 2 meter. The reactions are RA and RB. As we discussed already, RA plus RB is equal to 3 kilonewton into length 2. It is per meter. So we are 2 meters. 3 kilonewton per meter is per meter, it is 3 kilonewton. So it is for 2 kilometers, 3 kilonewtons multiplied by 2 meter, that is 6 kilonewtons. So the total load acting is RA plus RB is equal to 6 kilonewtons. Taking moments about A. So moments towards A, in clockwise direction taking moments towards A, that is 3 kilonewton multiplied by 2. So we are having a logic this, when the principle is that when you are having this equilibrium force, we will consider this the total point load, the total load is acting at this center. So we are, for the purpose we are taking it as for the uniform load, we consider this the total load is acting at the center. If it is load x, if it is length x, we consider this at x by 2 the point load is acting. So like this, if we are having this is acting at center point, this load is acting at center point. So 3 kilonewton into 2 meter, then it is 2 by 2. It is 2 by 2 meter. Whenever you go through this uniform force, total force 3 kilonewton multiplied by 2 multiplied by this center. If it is 3, it is 1.5. So here it is 2, it is this. So these are the moments about A, these are the clockwise moments. So anti-clockwise movement is, reaction is RB, it is total RB multiplied by, the total length is 4. So this is 1, 3 into 2, 6. So if you solve this equation, we will get RB is equal to 1.5 kilonewton. So we will get RB is equal to 1.5 kilonewton. Same as it is taking moments about B. moments about B. So if you take moments about B, so in this direction, so we have to consider the moments about B. So from B, if you take this is acting, the force is acting here. So what are the moments from the B? Again 3 kilonewton meter, 3 kilonewton into, the moment is 2 meter. So whenever you want to check the force acting is, the moment is every time, moment is force into distance. The force is load into distance will become force in uniform load. If it is a point load, it is only force into distance. When it is a uniform load, this force is load into distance. So here first load into 2 kilonewton per meter distance. So from B, the distance is, this is acting here, this is 2 meter and it is 2 by 2. Moments about B, 3 kilonewton multiplied by 2 meter, again multiplied by this one, how much it is, 2 plus 1, 3 meter. So from RA it is RA multiplied by 4 meter. RA into 4 meter. So if you solve this equation, we will get RA is equal to 4.5 kilonewton. So if you solve, RA is equal to 4.5 kilonewton. So finally check once, to check it, RA plus RB is equal to 6 kilonewton from this equation. So we got RA as 1.5 and RB as 6 kilonewton. So 1.5 plus 4.5 is equal to 6 kilonewton. So as per check also, RA plus RB is equal to 6 kilonewton. So this solves this equation. So this is very easy one, means easy in the sense, the only thing you have to understand is, when you are considering this uniform force, imagine that the total load is acting at its center. You imagine this, the total load is acting at its center. So if you have a beam like this, so same condition. So moment is equal to force into distance. In this uniform load, the force is the load acting on this, it is clearly defined as 3 kilonewton per meter. So per meter, so what is the force? The length 2 meters. So force will be 3 kilonewton into length 2 meter. This is force. So here distance, if it is from A, it is 1. If it is from B, it is 3. If you understand this concept, you can solve this problem. I hope you understand this problem. So we'll have a different type of activities when you come to class. Thank you.